There are two types of file endings which are conventionally used to represent Haskell source files. The first one is the main one, that is .hs. This contains code and comments just as you would expect and as you have seen in the previous examples. The second one is .lhs, which stands for Literate Haskell. This format is different and inverts the relationship between code and comments. The literate style is inspired by Donald Knuth's literate programming paradigm, in which he encouraged comments by making them the default. Let's look at a literate Haskell example. In a literate Haskell file, comments are the default, and if you want to write code, then you need to start a line with a greater than symbol, as you can see here. The literate Haskell style rarely gets used in actual program code, but for tutorials and short code snippets, you will find it used to be quite common, and so it's important to at least be aware it exists in case you come across it or any files which end in .lhs. This video is a clip from a longer video for beginners starting with Haskell. Check that out if you would like to see all of the content. Also check out the entire Introduction to Functional Programming with Haskell course on the Learn channel. See you next time.